Are you on a journey to restore your health with a low-carb, keto, or carnivore diet but struggling to stay on track? Ken Coleman's book, The Proximity Principle, may have some insights that will help you along your way. Ken Coleman is a career expert known for his nationally syndicated radio show, The Ken Coleman Show, and is a Dave Ramsey personality. The main idea behind his book is about finding opportunities to work in a field that you love by connecting with the right people and being in the right places. The same principles can also help those who are trying to restore their health. Now, to activate this principle, you have to ask yourself 3 questions. Number 1, who do I need to know? Number 2, where do I need to be? And number 3, what do I need to start doing? So here are the principles in more detail. Number 1, the right people. Identify and connect with individuals who can help you stay on your new eating plan. Because when you struggle, sometimes these individuals have been there and done that and can give you tips to help you overcome that struggle. Number 2, the right places, guys. Just like climbing a mountain, you must start in the foothills before reaching the summit. When making lifestyle changes, sometimes you can stay on track by simply taking a step-by-step approach and by staying motivated by doing the right conferences, listening to the right YouTube channels like this one, or just having a place of connection in your town where people are doing the same things, trying to be healthy like your local gym. Number 3, the right practices. Take action by implementing the principles outlined in his book, right? Stop dreaming and start doing by applying the necessary principles to achieve your health-related goals. Whether it's counting carbs, exercising, getting enough sleep, or even reducing stress, start focusing on these principles that I share on this channel to help you start the healing process right away. So as I conclude, although the principles of the proximity principles about getting the right job, I think it'll also provide the right foundation for you to get on track and to get your body where you want it to be. By focusing on the right people, places, and practices, you can move closer to fulfilling your desire to have the healthy body you've always wanted. And if you have that kind of body, guys, you can live your life purpose, which is what I want each and every one of you to do. So I'll see you in the next video, and until then, continue to be safe, be well, and continue to protect your nest.